Hi guys, I know it has been a while. Wish I posted video. I've not been feeling too well, but today I'll be dropping a video for you guys. And you know how we do it. We do it the Gele way, the way you should be doing it. You understand? So guys, I know a lot of us have been benefiting from this class. The best you can do for me is always share, tell friends about it, at least tag your friends, share on your status. Just keep sharing, let people also benefit from it again. Today, let me wow you a little. What we'll be tying today is how you can tie two Gele together. How you can tie two Gele. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this. Gele, how do you do this? So I'll be showing you how I do tie two Gele together.
Yeah, of course.
Today I'll be using two Asoke length Gele. So if you're doing a two style, it's either you're using 75-75 or you're using 60-60. But today I'm using three layers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what I want to do is tie two-sided round, different color. So what I'll start with this one first. Let me use this one as the base. I'm thinking that blue would be fine to start with. So what we do now, you know, I don't used to lie. You not take measurement, but you don't take little. You take little. You get it? So you pleat, you pleat, you pleat, and you pleat. Okay? When you're cool with this, now you place it on her head. So you see, you don't always place it here. Look at the way you're making her look. She was fine before, now you have changed her face. But once you put it at the hairline, like drop it like this, put it here. You arrange it. Normally, I'm supposed to take off this earring. So let me cover it. Hope it's not hurting you. Is it hurting you? Okay, so I'll cover it. Okay, hold it. So we'll come this way, we arrange. Please, you know me, I always like arranging my Gele. I tell people, if your first layer is nice, the person you are working with will trust you more. So we'll come to the back. This is how we'll do it now. So see, watch. We arrange this one. The short one is always upright. We arrange this one. We arrange this one. Eh? So look at what you do. Please hold both sides. Look at what you do. This one will not come like this. Watch you. We tie it. If you say it's tight, we'll stop. Hello, is it cool? It's cool, right? It's cool, right? Okay. Now watch it. Go to this side. You see, yes, okay. Yes, okay. So this one now will come this way. Look at this one will come this way. Now we want to do this also. We want to do this also. Now, if you notice, when I was taking my little, I took it from, this is my left, right? I took it from my left. Now, to make this long one go this way, I'll take my little from the right. Take my little from the right. So I'll also pleat. I'll pleat and pleat. Get? I'll pleat, 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 pleat. So I'll drop it here also. So I'll try to hold it. So I'll dress it. Address it, address it. Okay, she will hold it for me. I'll dress it this way also. Okay, all right, so dress it for me. So we'll go to the back now. Now we'll go to the back, we'll go to the back, we'll go to the back, we'll go to the back. So what we'll do, we'll be careful with this. We'll adjust, do this, and here we'll just do it. Do it, 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 do it. What we'll do. This one is always down. So you now pick this one from the top. Hello, people of God, from the top. So she's to be holding both sides very tight. Is it cool? Yeah. It's cool, right? Yeah. If it's not cool, let me know. So you see, so go to the front now and see. So you see now we have, it's like you sharing your Gele two-sided. So I have this one this side, I have this one this side. So I can decide to do round with this, I'll do fan with this. I can decide to do round, fan. So let's see. Let's see first. Let's see which one are we going to do first. Okay. Now if you are doing round, you know how I do my round. Each layer, like I said, we pick at least 4. So watch. One, you just pick at least four. Get so pick it. You pick gently, gently. At least four. Just keep you pick to the end. Should be neat. Should be neat, very neat. Okay, so as you have done like this, you hold it very firm. You should know how I do my stuff by now. You get it? So, see, it comes like this. Now you be asking, why did you place it on top the blue? No, you place it from the yellow. That's the design. That's why it's like that. You get it? You have to place it from there. So this one now, once you get to the middle or so, you pin. You understand? Because this one I have to come across. So you just see the middle a little, then you pin. So please look at the way I'm pinning. Once see, once I touch something here, I take it back up. Okay. 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 See, pick one after the other. One what? One after the other. Okay, that's how you do it till you get to the end. Till you get to the end. That's how you'll be doing it. Get see, so you keep on going. You just keep going. So most times some pleats will give you stress, but you will try. Don't allow any pleats to be missing. If any pleat is missing, trust me, your girl is going to have issue, issue. So you see, just be picking it one after the other. That's if you know how to pick from the top, pick from this, like this, like this, like this. Picky, okay. Anyway, I would like to hear. I prefer picking my own from the top. So why some people are say they'll tell you, hey, Gidi, I'm always cool picking my own from the down. So whatever is cool with you, fine. But my own is from the top. From the top. That's how I'm cool with picking my gele. From the top. From the top, from the top, from the top, from the top. Okay, so you see, keep going. Right. Now you see. So what I'll do now, I just arrange. Then we adjust it a little. You get it? So you keep arranging. Now, now you arrange a little. So what will happen now? You hold it down here. Use this one to wrap everything down. And you fold it to the back. Watch. Fold it to the back. So you collect pin. So I'm gonna pin it here now. Here, what? Here to here. And I'll come to the back also. Look for another place that is okay and pin it also to hold better. Look at it. Another place ahead to hold it better. So the way it is that is holding properly. Folded properly. So this one now I can just drag a little and just arrange. Of thank you. All right now, ladies and gentlemen, like I said you can use this one to do anything. Okay, what about to use this side to do fan? Now, if all right, guys. So what we'll do here? Okay, let's just do round or two. So you know the way I pick. I said four.
Hello, guys. If you know you're in Lagos, this class is for you. Try to register.
Okay, guys. What we'll do? We'll just do round also this other side. And you know I normally explain when you are picking your round at least four pleats per layer. Four. Get. Pick it four pleats per layer. So meaning it should be at least four, but it can be more than four. Anything lesser than four, just know your gele is not going to be high one, and it's not going to come out well. So so you hold it very tight. You arrange it. So now see the way we are holding it. Raise it from here. For you to be able to work, just tell the person to place his or her hand here. Now you arrange the first three or four to the back. You can see how I'm crossing it. You can see I'm crossing it. Hmm? You can see I'm crossing it. Please come to the back and see where I'll pin. Come this one, see where I'm pin, please. Just come this way. Why this way? This way. Look at where I'll be pinning these two. Take it down here. Okay, see? It's coming out. Came out well. So now I will go back here and arrange. So you get, so you see, now because I am, you stay at the front, stay at the front so you can get me. Because I am right-handed, if I should pick from the back, it becomes my right. You get, it becomes my right. I think I must have said it before. I must have said it before. So me picking from this side now, it becomes my right. So all I need to do, I'll arrange, 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 arrange. So you see. Okay, now what you do, whenever you arrange stuff like this, you try to balance it with this other side. You try to balance it with this other side. Try to balance it. Try to balance it. Okay. So, oh, sorry. Listen there for me. See this one now. This Asoke is soft, which you can notice from the sight of things. Very, very soft. So, move your hand. So, we try to balance so that it will be equal. You get, so that the Asoke, everything will be equal. Everything will be equal. Hmm? Okay, so everything being equal now, so you can see, now you can see everything is equal at this point, or you can adjust it back a little to make everything better. So you see, for adjust it this way, adjust it, everything is equal. So you can see this is a very fine style also. So please come to the back so I wrap. So I wrap it up. So I wrap it up. Okay. Now you see the way it is. I could have picked this one from here and wrap, but the gele will start pushing back. So whenever you are twisting it, you twist to the front. So that this one now will relax on top of this. The gele will be balanced. You get? So the gele will be balanced. Just come forward and see. Please come forward and say it now. See how this one will look. Give me pain. Get so this is how it's supposed to look. I'm pinning it here so that I can show you something because normally I'm supposed to maintain the back. So you see, so we get dress this one now to the back so that it will be very neat. You get so see. Now you see, this is a very nice style also. This is a very nice style. This same style, like I said, can also be, it can also be fun. And when it's fun, since it's three layers, once it's in, once it's fun, since it's three layers, all you need to do is pick one, two, three, four, up to the end of the gele, then you raise. Now you can see the shape of the fan will come out. Get so you start baking, you arrange, you arrange, you arrange, you arrange, you arrange, you arrange. Then you start breaking. So you get so you keep breaking. Now if you see now this shape is not properly, this fan is not properly shaped. So all I'll do is okay, let me break proper so that okay, let it be from this side now. Then let me start breaking. Let me start breaking it wide. I'll drag it back later. This one will come out well. So you see, start breaking it. What I'm trying to prove is you can make it either fan or round. So when you after sharing, tying at the back, sharing to different axes, so you're not the one that know what you want to do with it. So all I need to do again, like this other way you wrapped the the other way you wrapped, that's the same way you wrap this also. That's the same way you wrap this also. So all you do, you pin. Okay. Sorry, Amma. Okay, now you come this way. How do we make this one now well shaped? How do we make it well shaped? See, just arrange it now. Take everything to the back. So you pin, understand? So you pin. So I think everything is okay now. This one is okay this way. So it's either you make it fun or you make it round. Okay, thank you, Amma. Thank you. Okay, just look at the lights. Look at the lights.